Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is to open up to the universe. Lord Spirit has a special message just for you. This is going to take you to the next level, but you have to have a prayer life, a meditation life, develop going out into the elements, however you communicate with spirit, going out into nature, being able to feel the energy, feel the communication, channel in the downloads, however you do it. It's time to tap in because it's your moment to excel to the next level. I'm discovering my worth and my abilities. I have confidence in my value and in all of my gifts. I reclaim my inner power. I accept all love for myself completely. And thus I open up to the divine light of the universe. And then you shine with your gifts. You shine with your gifts, your talents, and you excel and be the king and queen that you truly are. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.